Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Studio. In this video, we will learn how can we change the default unit of part and drawing models. Okay, we know that we can change the unit from this option, like we can change the unit from this option, and similarly we can use this option and we can change the unit from this document properties and then go to units from here, but this will not change the units permanently. When you will open the SolidWorks next time, then the units will not be default units. Okay, so how can we change the default units? For that, we will go to the C drive. Okay, we will open the C drive and then we will click on the view, and then we will check the hidden items. So this will unhide the hidden items. So then you will find a folder, program data. So just open this. So here we have to find the SolidWorks, and here you will find the SolidWorks, like the version you have installed. Like I have 2023. Let's suppose you have 22, 21. So you have to open this folder. So under this folder we can find a folder templates. Okay, so here you can see that this is the template for the part and this is the template for the drawing. So what we have to do, we just need to close. Okay, don't save, we will close this one, and then we will drag this part template to SolidWorks interface. Okay, so now we are in the template. So this is the basically the default templates that we used. So maybe sometime you will see the option here, it's read only, then you just need to save, and if it's okay, then what you have to do, now we need to go to the option. Okay, and under the option we will use the documents, and here we will see that units. So from here we will change it to CGS or MKS and then said okay. Okay, so if you will follow this procedure, then you can change the unit, like the default unit of SolidWorks. Okay, when every time when you will open the SolidWorks, so this units will be will be the default unit of our project. So in this way you can change the unit for the part. Okay, and then we have to select okay. So after that we just have to click on the save, so that our part template will be updated. Okay, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.